Still juggling appointments through phone calls and DMs? Let's be honest, it's exhausting and not exactly scalable. But what if you could give your clients a smooth, stress-free way to book with you 24/7 while you stay focused on delivering amazing spa experiences? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your spa's online booking system using Setmore, step by step. First things first, you'll find the Setmore link in the description below. Make sure you log in before we start so you can follow along in real time. By the way, I am Altaf Rahman, and with over 17 years of experience in website design and marketing, I've helped countless businesses like yours simplify their booking and boost their customer experience. So if you want your spa to look professional, run smoothly, and get more clients without the hassle, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Add your business details. First up, we are setting the foundation, your business details. Go to Settings, then click on your brand. Here, you will upload your logo, a beautiful banner image, maybe a calming shot of your treatment room, or a Zen setup with towels and candles. And make sure your business name and booking page URL are correct. Next, scroll down to the About section. This is where you really get to tell your story and what makes your spa unique. Keep going to Visuals. This is where you customize the look of your booking page. Choose your brand colors, button style, and layout theme that reflects the peaceful, luxurious feel of your spa. You can even upload a gallery to showcase your services. Maybe pictures of massage setups, facial treatments, or happy customers. With their permission, of course. Then add your spa's contact info and exact location. Super important for first-time clients. Don't forget to update your spa hours like Monday through Saturday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and drop in your Instagram, Facebook, or website links at the bottom. Once everything looks just right, check the live preview on the right. You can view how your page looks on desktop and mobile. Happy with it? Go ahead and click Save. Change Step 2. Create your services. Next up, it's time to list your services. Head to Services and click that plus sign. Start by adding your spa treatments one by one. Let's say we were adding a 60-minute Swedish massage. Upload a photo, maybe a relaxing spa bed setup. Give it a clear title and write a short description. Explain what clients can expect and how it benefits them. Set the duration, in this case 60 minutes, and link it to the team member providing it. Then choose if it's in person or virtual for things like virtual skin consultations. You can also set the price, whether it's $90 or $120. Totally up to you. Repeat this for every service. Facials, body scrubs, hot stone massages, you name it. Click Save and you're good to go. Step 3. Add your team. Now let's bring in your amazing spa team. Go to Settings greater than your team and hit the plus icon. Enter their full name and email address. You will then choose their permission level. So whether they are just managing their own bookings or helping with admin tasks too. Once they accept the invite, they can go to My Profile and upload their contact details, a professional profile photo, and even a mini bio. This adds a personal touch for your clients. Each team member gets their own booking link they can share on social media or text to clients directly. Then, under Integrations, they can sync Setmore with their Google Calendar or Office 365. This makes it easy to keep availability up to date, especially if they work part-time or split shifts. Once your team is set up, you can assign them to services and manage their availability, including breaks and off days. Step 4. Connect payments. Alright, let's talk money. Head over to the Payments tab. Here you can connect Setmore with a payment provider like Square, Stripe, or PayPal. This way, clients can pay at the time of booking, which saves time and reduces no-shows. Once you connect your account, make sure the Accept Booking Page Payments toggle is on. You can also choose if you want to require full payment upfront, partial payment, or just keep it optional. Scroll down to set any extra fees, maybe a late cancellation charge, or even offer discounts for early bookings or bundles. Smooth, secure, and simple. Step 5. Automatic reminders. Let's talk about one of the best time-saving features in Setmore. Automatic reminders. This is a complete game changer, especially in a busy spa where no-shows can cost both time and money. To get started, head over to Settings, then click on Notifications. Here's where the magic happens. Setmore can automatically send email reminders to your clients for free. All you need to do is turn it on, and every time someone books an appointment, they'll get a friendly reminder in their inbox before their visit. Now, if you want to take it a step further and send text message reminders, you can enable SMS reminders too. This is a paid feature, but it's super effective, especially for clients who prefer a quick ping on their phone instead of checking their email. And here's the cool part. You can customize the email message your clients receive. So if you want to add a warm personal touch, share parking info, or gently remind them of your cancellation policy, you can do it all right here. Simple, professional, and saves you hours of follow-up. Step 6. Calendar to send a reminder. Next, let's dive into an easy way to send reminders directly through your Setmore calendar. Head over to your calendar. This is where you will see all your upcoming appointments and client bookings. Now, let's say you want to send a reminder to a client who's already booked. It's super simple. Just click on the appointment you want to follow up with, and you'll have the option to send a reminder directly from there. With just a couple of clicks, you can ensure your client remembers their appointment, keeping your schedule running smoothly and avoiding last-minute cancellations. No need to remember every detail or send reminders manually. Setmore takes care of it for you. Step 7. Your branded app. Now here's a really cool feature, your very own branded app experience for your customers. Setmore allows your clients to add your booking page right to their phone's home screen, just like a mobile app. This makes booking with your spa even easier and more accessible, perfect for loyal clients who book with you regularly. To set this up, head to Settings, then click on your branded app. Here, you will want to turn on the option that says Notify customers about your app. This tells Setmore to let your clients know they can install your booking page as an app on their phone. Once that's switched on, go ahead and click Save. You will then see a QR code. Simply scan it to preview how it looks. You can also send this to your clients, so they can scan and install your spa booking page on their phone with just a tap. It's fast, professional, and gives your business that polished app-like feel without needing to build an actual app. Step 8. Getting reviews. Let's talk about building trust. And one of the best ways to do that is by collecting great reviews from your happy clients. With Setmore, it's super easy to boost your brand reputation by showcasing glowing feedback directly on your booking page. Here's how to do it. Head over to Settings and then click on Reviews. From here, just click the button that says Request Review. You'll instantly get a review link that you can copy and send to your clients, either through text, email, or even on your social media platforms. It's quick, it's simple, and it gives your satisfied clients a chance to share their experience, which in turn builds trust with potential new clients. Plus, those positive reviews show up right on your spa booking page, giving people one more reason to click Book Now. And the best part, you can request reviews again and again, keeping that positive energy rolling in. Step 9. Check activity. Want to keep track of what's going on in your spa, like new bookings, cancellations, or updates. Setmore makes it easy with the activity log. To view everything in one place, just go to Settings and then click on Activity. Here, you will see a full list of your most recent booking updates, from new appointments being added to changes made by clients or team members. It's the perfect way to stay on top of your daily operations, especially when you're juggling multiple clients or team members. So whether someone just booked a facial, rescheduled a massage, or cancelled a last-minute appointment, you will see it all right here in your activity feed. No surprises, no confusion, just full visibility at your fingertips. Alright, now that your spa booking page is set up and looking fabulous, let's take things a step further and make it even easier for clients to find and book you online. That's where Setmore Integrations come in. With just a few clicks, you can connect Setmore to platforms you already use, like Facebook, Instagram, MailerLite, and more, turning casual scrollers into confirmed appointments. These integrations help you automate your marketing, expand your reach, and offer a seamless booking experience across social media, your website, and even email campaigns. Let's start by connecting Setmore to your website. Now, if you already have a website for spa, whether it's a full site or just a simple homepage, this tool is going to make your life easier and help you convert more visitors into real bookings. So, what is the booking widget? Think of it like a little interactive box that sits right on your website and lets your visitors book appointments without ever leaving the page. It's clean, it's professional, and it blends perfectly with your brand. To set it up, just head into your Setmore Integrations, look for the booking widget section, and follow the steps to generate a custom embed code. Once you've got that code, simply copy and paste it into your website's HTML or send it to your web designer to plug it in for you. The widget automatically pulls in all your spa services, your business hours, and availability. And yes, it's fully mobile friendly too, so your clients can book from their phone, tablet, or desktop in just a few taps. With the booking widget live on your site, you're turning every page visit into an opportunity for an appointment 24/7. So if you want your website to not just look good, but actually work for you, the Setmore booking widget is a must. You can find more useful integrations here, such as calendar sync, Instagram booking, payments, reviews, marketing, and more. To connect, simply choose the desired items and follow the easy instructions. Setting it up is quite simple, and that's it. With your Setmore booking page up and running, you've just unlocked a smoother, smarter way to manage your spa. From reducing no-shows to collecting payments and even turning your website visitors into paying clients, this setup works for you even while you sleep. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help. And if you're ready to take things further, check out the links in the description for templates, tools, and more tips to grow your spa online. See you in the next one.